Hello, welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to do Prig Nam Pla, yeah, the Thai traditional. Very simple, and the ingredient just like this, only 4-5 items. Green chili, the garlic, small red chili, and fish sauce, and lamb. Okay, first we cut the lamb. Mix with the fish sauce first. And then we slice the chili.
How many did you do?
Yeah, just as much as you like. Not specific how much and how much. If you like hot, you put more. If you don't like hot, you put less.
Your hair looks very nice today.
Is it?
Maybe put sugar.
You can put, but no, not necessary. You know, some they do. I don't put. Not every dish we have to put. But the other, some YouTube they put sugar, but they don't put.
They put a what?
Some they put sugar. Some YouTube. You mix and then put a little bit more fine. Okay, and then you put in here. If you put chili and garlic first and then you put lemon, or this one become dark. That's why we have to put lemon first. Oh, that was, we have to put lamb first. I add more fish sauce nha. Pin pin. This is a side dish for Thai food. You can have with the fried egg, curry, or even noodle if you like. You know, even sometimes when you feel don't know what to eat, you can just fry egg with eat with Prig Nam Pla or boiled egg. That's it.